Clyde, I need the money.
I want to sell it.
Is this the car for sale?
Yes, young man. She's been a good car. A bit tired now, like me.
So, this is the old beauty we're working on. Looks like it's seen better days, that's for sure.
Looks about right.
Looks about right. Just a bit more on the bottom edge.
Your S-Class, madam, just as you remembered it, perhaps even better.
Oh my heavens! Is that really my old car? It can't be.